Some of you have been asking if my Zoom backdrop is real or a virtual background, so I thought I would sit in it today just so that you know that it is a real set and it's actually all real instruments. And if you've seen my TikTok videos, you'll know that for my brain workout I'm also learning to play the drums. And when I was just about to start learning to play the drums, I was speaking at a conference in Leeds with Woody Woodmansey, the drummer from David Bowie's Ziggy Stardust's Spiders from Mars. And he had a great top tip for learning the drums, which helped me enormously. Because what he told me is that before you start worrying about all of the other drums, just worry about this hi-hat and being able to just tap out 8 beats without thinking about it. And don't worry about all of the others, just figure that out first. So that's what I did. You don't even need a drum to fix this, right? You just need your brain to be able to pick out a tune and just tap along 8 beats. So I was doing this with spoons, I was doing it with pens, I was doing it in my mind, when I was listening to songs on the radio, when I was listening to songs in the car, if I was listening to songs in my head, I would just be hitting out these beats. 4s or 8s. Top tip from Woody Woodmansey. Drums are a great way to build new brain connections, so why not start today?